Greetings teachers, want to introduce you to an app that I really enjoy using called the Smart Seat app by Cornsoft. This is a great classroom management app that's really helped us to build a safe, positive environment and to help our student communication and interaction with our teachers. So let me show you how this app works. I'm going to click on the logo down in my tray, pull up the app. Right now you can see all the classes that I have built, sorted from K1, 2, 3. The way I do this is I import TXT, so when I go to my Excel, I need to save each class as a TXT. So I pull up my email, click on Turrill for 5th grade, and then I'm going to open the attachments, open up Eisenhower, and then up in the top right hand corner there's an export button. Scroll over, these are the different ways you can export the file. I'm going to open up the Smart Seat app. Interesting thing is, first time it's going to glitch. It always pops up on the second time. There you see it shut it down. So I open up my email, go to the top right hand corner, export, there's Smart Seat, and there it works. So right now it's put my students into 5 different seating lines. If I want to change that, I can go over to chart, change layout. I can change it from 5 rows, 6 rows, 7 rows. I can go back down to 4, 3, 2, whatever it is that you want. But I like 5. And if I want to get rid of a couple seats, all I gotta do is click on the seat that I want to get rid of. I'm just clicking on these. And I can get rid of the next one for this particular grade. I don't need that many, but if I wanted to add some more, I just click back on them and you can add them back. And once I find out what I want, I can click on the Done button in the top left-hand corner. And there's my students. So now to move them around, you just click and drag. Just plop them into different positions. Get them seated in the way you want them. And then now I can take pictures of the students and put in their particular spot. We're the Round Hill Bears, so I'm creating this fictitious student called the Berry Bear. Provide last name there. Take the picture, camera. And then now's the picture of Barry the Bear, and you can see it popped up down there at the bottom. Let me show you what a real class looks like. So I pull up this regular class, and now here's a class of students, younger class, so I'm trying to learn their names. If I wanted to add their last names, I'm going to show you how to do groups. So I click on groups. If I wanted to create color groups within each one, or if I wanted each group to have a certain color, I can adjust to 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. Click Create button. Looks like I'm going to go with 4 groups in this example. Click the Create button, and then it puts the students randomly into different groups. And if I wanted to change them and put them back into other groups, you can just drag and drop. You see the three line button over there on the far right side. And now these students are grouped into different groups. And then I can drag them over and say this is the green team, the red pink team, blue team, black team, whatever color you want it. But I'm going to put it back, so I'm going back to groups, and I'm going to go up to groups and take it back down to 1, and then create, done, and it put all my students back in the original order that I had them to start with. You can view just photo alone by clicking at the top on the teacher's name. Click on that, and it shows you just the photo. If I wanted to see last names, I go over to chart options and I can change the font. I can include last names. Thing is though, based on the size of the square, if you do it to where it includes just last name, it takes the picture away. You can see how it toggles back and forth between them. Let me show you how I use this in the class today. So I had students running in what's called shuttle run. Put up on the board, I had the screen going of their picture and name, so then I was able to go around the students I hadn't learned their names for yet. I was able to go up and introduce myself. Hi, my name's Mr. T, what's your name? And I was able to introduce myself, talk to them, what school they went to, that kind of thing. The name of the app is called Smart Seat. It's great for classroom management by Cornsoft. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a great school year. Please make sure you click the subscribe button for RHEPE. Have a great year.